we can't find where the trail continues, so we may be hiking in the dark. We'll see.
This is crazy.
Yeah. All right, guys, we made it to the trailhead. Well, no, I lied. We made it to the parking lot. It was a little treacherous, and now we gotta find the trail. All right, we found where we're supposed to go, but it is gonna be a bit of a race against time, I think, because it's a little further than I thought. God Emperor.
God Emperor Luke Nichols.
That right there is a bed down spot of a deer. Yeah.
Yep. Even ground.
Yeah. I'm liking this. Nice and flat.
Yeah. Just crossed that. Came up here.
And how far do we have to go? Ooh.
Oh. Kind of fun with the snow to just kick your toe in.
Yeah.
Like use that.
Gives you a little bit more traction. We are going to be pressed for time. The sun is going to go behind the mountain probably within 45 minutes or so. And then it's going to start to get colder and darker. And I think we're about halfway there. So we've lost the sun. This is definitely a dead end. We're lost. Oh my. We're not the best trailblazers. We can't find where the trail continues, so we may be hiking in the dark.
This is crazy.
Yeah. Chat, what kind of poop is that?
Drop a comment down below.
Comments. Guys, we had Chipotle for lunch. I got hot salsa, and boy am I feeling it.
You also recycled a half cup of rice.
We don't need, I put some trash in a recycler, but worse things have happened, I think. We think we found a trail that should take us to our spot, but we still got a ways to go. The good news is we might get some sunlight, and that might buy us a little bit more daylight, which we desperately need.
You're seeing the sun again for the first time in like 10 minutes.
Nice. Ha-ha! Let's go. We're getting close. Thank goodness. My goodness. How does it feel to have the pack off? We worked up a sweat.
Like I had a heavy load on my back and it's gone now.
That is so good.
Absolute atrocities have been committed in that game.
Actually.
It looks like animals chewed on the seat.
Oh, I'll be right back.
First of all, what is that? And then look at all the chewing and I'm like,
oh my, that is crazy. Sacked up.
we just had a pit stop in that nasty.
Yeah, I don't know if I want to put that in the video, but that Porta John has seen better days. I'll just say that in case I don't put it in the video.
So we took a quick break, had some water, added our coats, and here we go.
Yeah, now we're heading to the site. We just got the perfect dap, but I didn't get it on film. So here's a historical recreation of it. Nice. We crested the hill. Now that we're out of that valley, we've got more sunlight, which is good because we're still not there.
Seems being Debbie Downer.
I genuinely thought we were gonna be setting up camp in the middle of the woods off of a trail in the dark. Ooh, woodpecker. Almost there, and we can take a load off, get things set up, which will be really nice. Some fajitas. It's gotta be these to the right. Yeah, it's not gonna be easy. What the hell? This is what happens when you don't bring a shovel.
Look at this. This is like as big as your tent, right?
Ew, 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 ew. You know how to do this part?
No.
So this is an entrance, so this needs to go like that way. Okay. Alright, I think I'm gonna go to bed, chat.
Okay.
Long way.
Pretty cool.
Yeah. Pretty cool. I got some chicken tenderloins. We got some got some oil and some seasonings. Gonna get the chicken marinating. I feel like I'm gonna drop it. Ooh! Almost lost it. We're good. Mission accomplished. Did a classic. We've stopped moving. We've lost the sun, so it's starting to get cold. There we go. Yeah. I'm gonna grab some more big branches. Let's freaking go.
Camp set up.
Off.
I don't know. The candle's gonna melt. Like where you have it.
It's not.
I'm scared. My leg is so hot. I had it like.
Yeah. I see it.
My crack or my arm crack?
If you get cut while we're out here, dude, the butter. What'd you do? It's the good stuff. You know it's good when it just bursts.
More butter?
Yeah, more butter. There we go. Oh.
Michelin star chef over here. Dude, I have butter hands now.
We're learning things here. It's all right. Oh yeah. Okay.
Give me the light.
Getting it.
Just take the butter and rub it. The top. You didn't. My hands dirty again.
I
can just use this.
All right, guys. Quick update for dinner. We're doing chicken fajitas with peppers and onions and cilantro. I'm gonna hit it with a little bit of.
I can't. To lean over it, my face gets straight on.
We're making tortilla chips. Oh, that's probably good. All right, let's try these things.
Cheers.
Cheers. That's good. You could definitely use like a hot sauce. Sorry about that. It is strange to like camp in a totally unfamiliar place.
Michelle felt that way at first.
It did, yeah. Doing the dishes. Goated. Oh yeah.
Well, the blue ones are really good.
Yeah. I would say this was a success. Good meal. It's a little longer hike. Not crazy long, but it was.
Ouch.
You good? Did you get an ember on your sock?
I don't know what happened.
Yeah, we're just vibing by the fire. We're gonna let this die down and then set up our beds and stuff. I actually don't know. He's got a double-ended. There you go. Save your lungs. All right, we got our beds set up. We're gonna watch a little TV or something, and then we're gonna go to bed.
Thanks for driving out here, Phil.
Yeah, no problem.
Now the story of a wealthy family who lost everything.
Good morning, everybody.
Good morning.
It's 8 o'clock. What temperature is it? 30 degrees.
Shut up, Mom. Silence from you.
Cut off.
It's cold. It's 30 degrees. We're gonna get a fire going. we, I mean Mark may have discovered bear tracks. Possibly. We're thinking like claws.
Like a footstep shape.
Yeah. Like that one's pretty clear. So is that one. Mark got 2 pancakes done in the same amount of time it took me to get my stove started.
I just burned my thingy. Oh yeah. That looks good.
Push his luck. Are they made of meat only?
No.
I can't have them.
Got the fire going back up for breakfast.
Oh yeah.
That's actually amazing.
Mm-hmm.
Who's Leonard Nimoy?
I think he's the guy who played Spock.
Here's a picture of Leonard Nimoy. There, you got it again. One more time.
Do the seas on it?
Oh, sorry. Excellent. All right, we're packed up and we cleared our spot.
No trace at all.
We have no trace, that's the rule. And now we're gonna make trail, as they say. Here's a kit, I don't know how useful it is, but we're walking downhill right now. And the path to my right is packed in. Mark's walking on it. It's hard to walk on. So what we're doing is we're walking in the uncompressed snow so that you can dig your heels in and take longer strides and not risk slipping and falling. A lot of uphill. It's either a woodpecker or a caveman working on a flint tool. All right, here's another bed down spot. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4 different spots where does would have been bedding down, probably in a group. There's some more spots right here and here. We've been seeing a lot of deer tracks. Made it to the bridge. All right, we made it back, reconnected with the road. We did it, chat. We made it back to the car. Wow, now we're gonna drive back to Stubby.
See the sights.
Hard cut to Don's.
This is awesome.
Yeah. To my 44 subscribers, wow, you guys really made my day. Last video, I said 43. This video, 44. We're growing, gaining momentum, baby. That's what we want. I'm thinking maybe by the end of the year, we're gonna be at 50. Is that too much to ask? You could help. Like, subscribe.